Do you want to experience vibrant nightlife, panoramic skyline views, and stunning views during your academic life? The Harrington Housing Miami Beach is where you get the best vibe of the city. This lovely property offers a number of fully furnished shared apartments that can make your stay comfortable and hassle-free. Starting from a cozy bed and a spacious wardrobe to a well-equipped study area and high-speed Wi-Fi, the property offers them all at the most reasonable prices. Relax by the pool on a sunny day and stay on top of your fitness goals with the well-equipped gym. Moreover, reputed universities like the University of Miami and Barry University are just a few miles away from the property, making it an ideal place for your academic retreat. Every evening is like a weekend when you have beaming pubs and cafes, such as the Shuckers Waterfront Bar and Salon du Café in the vicinity. Further, there are many supermarkets in the neighborhood for your day-to-day essentials. The city is well connected with a bus network that takes you to any part of the city without burning a hole in your pockets. When put together, the Harrington Housing Miami Beach has everything you can ever ask for. Hence, stop looking anymore and book your room from amberstudent.com. 110